Opening a bank account encompasses selecting the appropriate account type, conducting research on banks, furnishing required documentation, funding the account, scrutinizing and endorsing paperwork, activating the account, and arranging additional services. It's vital to uphold the account by vigilantly monitoring transactions and adhering to the bank's regulations. Adhering to these steps guarantees a seamless procedure and enables you to establish an account tailored to your financial requirements. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of banking and discussing the essential steps to open a bank account. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to switch banks, this guide has got you covered. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore the ins and outs of opening a bank account. Let's get started. 1. Choose the type of account. All right, let's talk about picking the right bank account for you. It's like choosing the perfect pair of shoes. You want something that fits just right. So first things first, think about what you need from your account. If you're all about those everyday transactions like paying bills and making deposits, a checking account might be your best bet. Now, if you're more into saving up for a rainy day or that dream vacation, a savings account could be just what you need. Plus, they usually give you a little extra in interest on your money, which is always nice. But hey, if you're looking for something with a bit more oomph in the interest department, you might want to check out a money market account. They're kind of like savings accounts, but with potentially higher interest rates. And last but not least, we've got certificate of deposits, or CDs for short. These babies lock in your funds for a set period of time in exchange for a fixed interest rate. So, if you've got some cash you won't need to touch for a while, this could be a smart move. 2. Research banks and financial institutions. Now let's talk about finding the perfect bank or financial institution for you. It's like hunting for the best pizza place in town. You want something that ticks all the boxes. First off, take some time to research different banks and financial institutions. Check out what they offer in terms of fees, services, and where their branches are located. Oh, and don't forget to look into their online banking options, super handy for managing your money on the go. Now, when you're comparing, think about what's important to you. Are you okay with a minimum balance requirement? Do you need easy access to ATMs? And hey, if you're all about that mobile banking life, make sure the bank has the features you need to bank from your phone. And before you head out to the bank or start filling out that online application, make sure you've got all your documents ready to go. You'll usually need things like a valid ID, like your driver's license or passport, your social security number, or an individual taxpayer identification number if you're not a US citizen, proof of where you live, like a utility bill or lease agreement, and some info about your job, like where you work and your employer's address. So there you have it. Do your research, gather your docs, and you'll be well on your way to opening your shiny new bank account. Easy peasy, right? 3. Visit a branch or apply online. Now that you've done your homework and got all your documents together, it's time to make moves. Opening your bank account is as easy as pie. You've got options. If you're more of a face-to-face kind of person, head on over to the bank branch during their business hours. Just walk right in, find a friendly bank representative, and let them know you're ready to open an account. They'll take it from there, guiding you through the process and answering any questions you might have. But hey, if you're all about that online life, like many of us are these days, you can skip the trip to the branch and open your account right from the comfort of your couch. Just hop onto the bank's website, look for the option to open an account, and follow the simple instructions. Don't forget to upload those required documents along the way. 4. Provide personal information. All right, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of opening your account. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. So, first things first, you'll need to spill the beans and provide some personal info. You know, the basics like your name, address, date of birth, and how to reach you. Oh, and they might ask for some details about where you work, like your employer's name, address, and phone number. Just your run-of-the-mill stuff. 5. Fund the account. Now, on to the fun part, funding your account. Depending on the bank's rules, you might need to cough up some cash to get things started. But don't stress. It's usually not too much. You can do it the old-fashioned way with cash or a check, or go high-tech with an electronic transfer or direct deposit. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Some banks are pretty chill and might waive the initial deposit requirement, especially if you're setting up direct deposit. So it's worth asking about. There you have it. Providing your info and funding your account is as easy as pie. Before you know it, you'll be all set up and ready to rock with your new bank account. 6. Review and sign account documents. All right, we're in the home stretch now. Just a couple more steps, and you'll be all set up with your shiny new account. First things first, it's time to put on your reading glasses and take a good look at all the account documents. Yep, I'm talking about the account agreement, fee schedule, and all those terms and conditions. It might not be the most exciting read, but it's super important to know what you're signing up for. Once you've given everything a once-over and you're happy with the terms, it's time to seal the deal. Just sign on the dotted line and you're officially in the club. Congrats! Now here comes the fun part, receiving all your account info. You'll get your very own account number, routing number for electronic transfers, and any debit or ATM cards that come with the account. Keep these in a safe place. They're like your golden ticket to accessing your funds whenever you need them. And hey, don't forget to check out the bank's online banking platform and mobile app if they have one. It's like having your bank right in your pocket. You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, all with just a few taps on your phone. How cool is that? You're all set up and ready to rock with your new bank account. Nice work. 7. Activate account and set up services. All right, you're almost there. Just a couple more things to wrap up and you'll be all set with your new bank account. First things first, if your bank sent you a shiny new debit or ATM card, it's time to get it activated. Just follow the instructions they provided. It's usually as easy as calling a number or logging into your account online. Once that's done, you're ready to start swiping. Now, let's talk about setting up some additional services to make your banking experience even smoother. Think online banking, bill pay, estatements, all those goodies that make managing your money a breeze. Just pick and choose what you need and get them set up in a snap. All right, now that your account is up and running, it's time to keep an eye on things. Make sure to regularly check your transactions, review your statements, and keep tabs on your account balance. This way, you can catch any funny business early on and keep your money safe and sound. Oh, and one more thing. Be sure to play by the rules. Stick to the bank's policies and fee schedule to avoid any surprise charges and keep your account in good standing. It's all about keeping things running smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a bank account that fits your needs like a glove. Just remember to choose a trustworthy bank and read through those terms and conditions before you finalize everything. Now go forth and bank like a pro. Remember, keeping track of your finances is key to financial success. So, whether you're opening a new account or managing an existing one, make it a habit to review your transactions regularly. Take control of your financial future today. Subscribe now for exclusive content and stay ahead of the financial game.